Ano sabi?
Sunshine on my face, I feel pretty great about today. About today. My bride, I'll be waiting, waiting at the altar for you, altar for you today. I'm getting married to my best friend today.
Amen. Hey, let's eat. Thank you for the food, Lord. Wow. Uy, ang mga okay na, okay na. Wow. Angelus. Oh, ay kay Sam. Wow. Baka wala nang damit si Aliyah, dinala-dala. Hindi, dadaan ako. Chloe, ang dami mo, oh. Hakot na word ka. Oo nga, eh. Size niya, eh. Chloe, suotin mo yung Chloe, ah. Mine! Ayan natin, Sam, sa'yo. Wow, ang daming pasalubong. Sabihin nyo, kids. At diba nga nasabihin mo, Ate? You have a lot of dress. Thank you. Alam mo, kay ano, Chloe. Hindi kaya. Kay Zoe. O, Zoe, o. Hindi, ihirapin na lang yan ni Zoe kay Ate Weng. Hindi, dapat naka-ano yung mga damit na para kung kanino kakasya. Yung mga dress, itabi na lang. Suot mo naman natin yung suot ka. Ito pa kayo sa wow. Buti yung panlalaki. Ano yung binili mo? Wow. Kasi puro pang girls. Okay, Sam. Slim lang naman si Sam, eh. Okay, ano, okay. Zoe. Wow, Zoe, look, oh. Kasi si Zoe. Zoe, look! Nang isa, oh, nag-ano dun, oh. Stacy. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. Dance. Owi, look, oh. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Owi, give, oh. Owi, give, oh. Another pair of clothes. Sa'yo yan, sa'yo. Give yan, Tita. Sa'yo yan, ayun kaya, no? Tara, Stacy, come here. Punta tayo dun. Get one, get yours, get yours. Dance muna, dance ako. Sa'yo yan, bigay. Sabihin mo. Ano sabihin mo? Ano sabihin? Welcome to the Philippines pa din. Ay, saan na? Ay. Da! Paano mo na yung mga damit ko? Kay Zoe yan. Kay Zoe! Zoe, get one! Ayun pa, Zoe! Ayun pa, Zoe! Wow! Ang daming pasalubong. Say thank you! Say thank you! Thank you, Mama! Thank you! Thank you! Ayan din, kasya rin kay Zoe. Kasya kay Zoe, oh. Wow, dami pasalubong ni Aliyah. Thank you, Ate. Pretty. Here, oh, dami mo. Bigay kay Ate Aliyah yan. Oh. No, Chloe. Chloe. Pang church. Da, okay, Zoe. Ang daming dress niya diyan, no? Sam, jacket Sam. Dami niyang damit. The jumpsuit. Wow. For Zoe. Ay, Sela. Ay, kay Sela. Wow. Kay Zoe. Oh. What? Oh no, sorry. Lalaki naman yan. Oh, Zoe. Zoe. Oh, Zoe. Zoe, dami naman lugo. Sela, Stacy, look. Stacy, look, oh. Parang laki na. Parang stretchable, no? Ate Sam. Ate Sam. Nasa si Ate Sam? Nasa Ate Sam? Ay, ito pala. Oh. Wow. Chloe, more. More chance of winning. Coming. Coming. Wow, ang gaganda. Hindi biro yung mga pasalubong sa inyo, ha? Imported. Oo, hindi. Imported naman. Wow. Kay win ulit. Ay, ate. Okay, Sam. Wow. Hindi sinusot na yung pang church. No, stay Sam. Yay, dami. Ayan, kay ano yan? Stacy. Stacy, look oh. Stacy, look. Wow. Ang dami. Wow. Wow. May outfit na sila. Trick-or-treat pa din yung pang trick-or-treat. Tsaka pa. What's that? Angelus? Ah, kuya, oh. More chance of winning. Catch! Oh, na. Wow, pati dog. May pasalubong. Oh, no! Oh, Play-Doh, toys! Come here, toys na, toys! Kuya, lagay mo na dyan. Lagay mo. Bilis, pila na, pila. Oh, no more. Ito. Oh, share kayo. Hindi, share na kayo. Ano ba? Ano? Share na lang kayo. Ayan, share. Oh, share na lang, share. Ayan, atis. Laki. Oh, Zoe, more. Wow. Oh, Zoe, yun pa. Get more. What?
No way. This is
Sinasa card. Oh, Sam. Oo. Oh, later ayun, Play-Doh. Ah, suot ka. Ay, pati. I got it.
Today, I'm getting married to my best friend. Today, happily ever after, through the good times and the bad. Won't have it any other way. It's always been you. I'm getting married to my best friend. Today, married to my
Swimsuit.
I'm getting married to my best friend today. Happily ever after, through the good times and the bad. Won't have it any other way. It's always been you. I'm getting married to my best friend today. Married to my love. on my face, I feel pretty great about today. About today. My bride, I'll be waiting, waiting at the altar for you. Altar for you today. I'm getting married to my best friend today. Happily ever after, through the good times and the bad. Won't have it any other way. It's always been you. I'm getting married to my best friend today. Married to my love.
Oh, yes. Go.
Married to my love.
Go. Dalawa, tatlo,
The wind in my face, as I ride my cycle to you. I ride to you. My life is pretty great, 'cause I have my love in it. I have you in it. Today I'm getting married to my best friend today.